The title of this book states exactly what is in the interior. The book is a poem that engages with the performative nature of numbering, treating pagination not as a neutral system, but as an act. By beginning its numbering at page 8, while the preceding 8 pages remain unnumbered, it foregrounds the tension between what is marked and what is omitted. The work functions as both a declaration and an omission to consider how numbering, like speech, asserts meaning while simultaneously revealing its own constraints. The inclusion of unnumbered pages in the front matter is traditional in book formatting, but because the title specifically identifies the omission of page numbers within the first 8 pages, we see how this could disrupt or contrast with the numbered pages. The mention of unnumbered pages in parentheses suggests these unnumbered pages are in their own pocket universe, or not as valued. The structure is divided into 2 equal halves. 8 pages are left unnumbered in the front matter, almost acting like a prelude, and then the numbering begins at page 8 and continues for 8 pages. The number 8, associated with cycles, infinity, and renewal, takes on structural significance. Does the numbering enact a loop, implying an unbroken sequence beyond what is seen? Or does it signal a rupture, foregrounding the act of marking itself? The capitalization of the word, footer, imbues it with a sense of authority and significance, elevating it beyond its typical role as a functional component. It prompts us to consider the footer as not only a physical location within the book, but also a symbolic space that carries meaning and intention. It suggests that the footer may hold metaphorical implications or deeper layers of interpretation. The word footer is connected to movement or tracking, and also ties into foot in a bodily sense, perhaps indistinguishable from the page number. The capitalization of the word centered emphasizes its role as a guiding principle, both visually and conceptually, as it centers the page number in the footer. Consider the significance of alignment, not only in terms of page layout, but also in relation to the broader themes explored within the poem. This capitalization signals that the centered positioning within the footer carries weight, perhaps hinting at the quest for equilibrium, coherence, and meaning amidst the numbered and unnumbered pages. The capitalized word centered seems to imply that the page number is happiest or balanced when nested in the footer, also capitalized. But the unnumbered pages, when referenced in parentheses, appear relegated to a lesser tier of existence. Thank you for your consideration and have a good day.